My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that comes from the site Syncnewestintenselythefile.vip. This is a deceptive site that claims that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It also displays some other misleading messages, pop-ups, and faulty statements. It tries to actually force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. These pop-ups claim to be related to some decent security program, but they are not related to it. All such pop-ups are absolutely faulty. And if you click on this Delete Viruses button integrated into the pop-up, you may simply be redirected to some other junk sites. And you may be forced to actually download and install some potentially unwanted software. This may depend on your original or IP settings. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware already enabled in your computer. For instance, you see these annoying advertisements displayed in the right part. To get rid of them and to remove any other hidden adware, we recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official resource, combocleaner.com, using this green download button. Install the program and start researching and investigating your computer. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all such threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.